welcome to Buying Coffee. Another day, another vlog. So today's video is about an important life hack, or what really helps you keep moving. So it is something about egg and something about microwave. So if you read it in a full sentence, it's simply how to boil egg in microwave. Interesting? Yes, it is. So when I say how to boil an egg in microwave, there are different ways people do it. Some people do it like properly, put the egg into microwave and then they do it. But how I'm gonna do it is not the basic way. I have an equipment which is gonna help me. So this video is how to boil egg in microwave using an equipment. And do you wanna see my equipment? This is the equipment of the day. My microwave egg boiler. Step number 1, take this off and fill water. Fill water and put this thing on the top. Sit it there. Now take the egg and make a hole here on the very top. So let's make a hole. So when I first did it, I was really worried that I'm gonna break the whole egg, but nah, it is not that hard. You can do it. See, it is in. So this won't break the egg, because the theory is you cannot break the egg if you press it from these sides. You can only break an egg if you press it from the, I don't know the word, but from here you can break it, but you can never break an egg from the sides. So that is a theory. So yeah, this is done. So now take it off and secure your pin, put it here, and then close our tiny machine. Close it nicely, okay? Yeah, it's closed. Then transfer this to microwave. Go to microwave. So this is my microwave and that is me. So let's open it. It's pretty clean, okay? So place your microwave egg boiler somewhere safe. Close. If you need hard-boiled egg, you have to do it for 3 minutes. If you need like soft-boiled egg, just 1.5 minutes. So let's do it for 3 minutes now. Start. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So see, it hasn't exploded. That's the main thing. And our egg boiler is steaming inside. So let's get him out. So make sure you don't burn yourself, okay? Yeah. This is pretty much done. It's safe now to open. We can open it. See? Now the egg is ready and there is still some more water left. So if you keep it inside this for some more time, this will get more cooked because the whole thing is like insulated. So this will help. Now, yes, so that is our egg boiled in our cute little machine. Here. Now let's see how it is. Nice. To tell about this cute little machine. One thing, this is portable. You can take it anywhere, wherever you want to go, or like you're going to boil your egg, like to your workplace, to your school, to your wherever there is a microwave, you can. And this really helps because when you're like really hungry, you need some energy to go on, this really helps. This is easy. In like 3 minutes you can do it. So that is one thing. One negative thing about this machine, again, that was actually $16 when I bought it from Ecostations, but I've seen the same thing on offer in Farmers, and in Pack and Save one time, which can boil 6 eggs at a time in microwave for like $6 or $7. So price wise, if you say yeah, but this really helps me a lot. So personally, I recommend this thing, and I feel like this is really safe to use in microwave. So I'm not sure about other things which are whether they are safe to use in a microwave, because if it explodes, it is not gonna be good. It's really bad, because I have had experience where one of my egg exploded inside microwave when I was not using this thing but with some other stuff. So I never ever wanted that thing to happen again. So this is guarantee this is good product. You can buy it from farmers, I think, from acousticians, as a store in Center Place, Hamilton, New Zealand, and also in like online. But whatever you buy, make sure you buy good quality, not any low quality, so that you don't want to repair or like cause trouble to your microwave or to your whole day, right? So I hope this video helps. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you like it. I'll come with some other videos soon. So see you guys. Take care. Ta-da.